In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best code editor apps for Android. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn coding or an experienced developer needing a mobile coding solution, these apps have got you covered. Join us as we dive into their features and see how they can enhance your coding experience on the go. Code Editor, Compiler v IDE. Code Editor, Compiler v IDE is a feature-rich app designed for developers who want a comprehensive coding environment on their Android devices. This app supports a wide range of programming languages, including Java, C++, Python, and HTML. It offers features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and error detection, making coding more efficient and user-friendly. Additionally, the built-in compiler allows users to run their code directly within the app, which is great for testing and debugging. With its intuitive interface and powerful tools, Code Editor, Compiler v IDE is perfect for both beginners and experienced developers who need a mobile development solution. Acode Code Editor FOSS. Acode is an open-source code editor that provides a lightweight and user-friendly environment for coding on Android devices. This app supports multiple programming languages, including HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and Python. Acode features syntax highlighting, auto-indentation, and a built-in file manager, allowing users to open and edit files easily. The app also supports real-time previews for web development, enabling developers to see changes instantly as they code. With its simplicity and effectiveness, Acode is an excellent choice for developers looking for a no-frills editor to write and edit their code effortlessly. AI Code Editor Generator. AI Code Editor Generator is an innovative app that leverages artificial intelligence to assist developers in coding. This app not only functions as a code editor, but also generates code snippets based on user input, making it easier for developers to write complex codes efficiently. It supports various programming languages and includes features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and error highlighting. The AI assistant helps beginners learn coding concepts, while experienced developers can benefit from the quick generation of code snippets. With its unique approach to coding, the AI Code Editor Generator is ideal for anyone looking to streamline their coding experience while improving their skills. Thank you for watching our video on the best code editor apps for Android. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.